Can you put implants underneath a DIEP flap? The answer to that question is yes. If your DIEP flaps are not large enough to give you the size breasts you want, in other words, the volume of your abdominal donor site, of your DIEP flaps, isn't enough to reach your reconstructive goals, we can always place implants underneath the DIEP flaps. That is absolutely possible. The most common patient that requires implants under a DIEP flap is a younger patient who's relatively thin, who's either been radiated or had lots of complications with their initial reconstruction. And to give them a normal soft tissue envelope, we need to perform a flap. In other words, we need to transplant healthy skin and tissue to their chest to basically start over with their breast reconstruction. And if they don't have a ton of extra skin and fat below their abdomen to give them enough volume to have the breasts that they want, we can always add implants underneath the flaps to help achieve their reconstructive goals with regards to volume. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.